Okay, here's another quick video, and we're going to show you how to conference calls on the VoxIP system. The VoxIP system lets you conference internal or external numbers and make a conference call. So once again, a call is going to come in, ring your phone. You're going to answer that first line. And when that line is active, you'll know it'll go from flashing to solid. That means you're on the call. The person you're talking to, you say, hey, we need a conference in Bob. We're either going to press the fix button or the soft key button to start it. Dial Bob's destination number. We have to wait till Bob answers his call before we can actually conference and complete the conference. Bob answers, and then I reach up and press the conference button again. Now all parties are on one line. And as you see, I use the fix button to initiate it, the soft key button to finish it. It doesn't matter either order. You can do soft key first, fix key button, but that's how we conference a call. Button, number, button to complete the conference. Once again, thank you for watching this video. If you got any other questions, please let us know.